about Python in 2019.
I want to discuss Python.
With Python.
Rise of the Python programming language.
By the time it's 2030, 800 million jobs will actually be taken over by AI. Okay, those using it. Instagram is built mainly off of Python. Quora is built off of Python. Dropbox is built off of Python. Chipmunk and list.
Python is the most popular language of the century. It's not because of the hype, it's because it's real. That's why in this video, I'll be giving you top 5 reasons why you should learn Python. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving you best free resources available on internet to learn Python. So keep watching the video till the end. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you get the notification. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first and foremost reason to learn Python is that it's super simple. You'll only need to write half a lines of code that you will need to do in any other programming language. And learning Python is just a matter of 1 month. And writing Python code is just like writing English. You'll feel that you're writing English. So it's super simple to learn in comparison to any other programming language, and it's really fun to learn. So second reason to learn Python is that it's so powerful. It has vast application in computer science world. It is used in web application development, data science, machine learning, web scraping, automation, and the list goes on. So if you are learning Python, you are opening number of career options for you. And the demand of Python developers is huge, especially in startups, where new developer can start contributing to project by learning a few lines of code. So the third reason to learn Python is because of its community. Python has got a wonderful community. It is also said that people join Python because of the language, but stays there because of the community. Python's community is very active, very helpful. There are always developers available on internet to help you out with your problem. So you get the resolution of your problem very easily, very fast. So you won't be blocked on any of your problem for a long time. So fourth reason to learn Python is that you will get infinite list of packages, libraries, frameworks in Python which are freely available on internet. So you can just directly use them in your project and just focus on the business logic and get your work done very easily, very fast. So for example, if you're building a web app, so you can use some libraries like Django or Flask. And if you're working on machine learning project, you can use libraries like TensorFlow. If you want to make some automation tests, you can use the libraries called Nose. So there are so many libraries that you find in Python which you can directly use in your project and get your work done very easily. So the last but not the least reason to learn Python is the demand of Python developers in computer science market. In computer science market, the demand of Python developers is growing rapidly. And because of the Python's vast application in computer science society, the demand of Python developers is not going to down, at least in this century. Also, Python developers are really good paid. So if you want to get jobs fast and also get paid really well, so you should learn Python. So let's come to the best ways how you can learn Python. Believe me or not, if you're going to coaching to learn Python, it's not the best way to learn Python and not the best use of your time. The best way to learn Python is to use the resources, free resources on the internet which are available, which you can use to learn Python and get better on it. There are so many resources available on internet which are for free, which you can use them to learn Python and take yourself from beginner to advanced level. I myself have never taken a coaching class on Python, but use the internet resources to learn Python and get better at it. So the first, which is probably the best one, is the Scrotica Python tutorial available on YouTube. It is obviously free, and the way they teach us is really amazing, very interesting. They always put a practical side on the concept that they are teaching. They are very to the point. They are not saying crap. They are very to the point, very practical, and you should definitely look at that resource. I myself referred that resource when I was learning Python, when I was a beginner in Python. So the second course to learn Python is the Coursera course on Python. It is said as Python for everybody specialization. The course itself is free, but if you want to get the certificate out of it, so you have to pay for the certificate. But the course itself, if you want to learn Python, just learn Python without the certificate, it's totally free. So the third resource is the Udemy Python course. It is said as Python Complete Bootcamp. It is really good course for the beginner, and it is very helpful for taking you from the beginner to advanced level, and that's really good resource you should refer to. So while you're learning Python, it is also very helpful and needed to practice whatever you're learning. So to practice the thing that you're learning, you should refer to the Udemy course. It is called the Python Mega Course. It will teach you to apply whatever you're learning in the real life projects. And there is one more resource which is called HackerRank, hackerrank.com. There you will also be able to apply whatever you're learning in the live coding environment, which is available on the browser in their site. So here are some resources which you can use for free to learn Python and get yourself from the beginner to advanced level. I'll put the links on the description, all of the links in the description. But one thing you should keep in your mind that whatever you're learning in Python, you should try to implement that in your minor or major project so that you can get the practical sense of whatever you're learning. One of my known told me that please tell me the practical sense of concepts like exception handling and other concepts of programming. So here's the thing. If I say that exception handling is used to gracefully fail the program, so what do you understand by that? You won't be able to understand anything by that except from the statement, but you'll be able to understand much better way if you are implementing by yourself. So whenever you're learning Python, so just don't forget to apply that in a practical sense. So that's it from my side today. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you get notified. I'll see you next time. Bye.